You should must have this type of yellow pumpkin. Remove the pumpkin seeds and skin. Cut into thin slices. Steam the slices. Put them in the steamer and steam the pumpkin for 15 minutes. When the pumpkin is steamed, put in a bowl. Add sugar and mix well. And add rice flour while hot. Knead the rice flour and pumpkin together. Pour some white sesame seeds into the plate. Take a bit of dough and roll it into a round shape. Wrap the layer of sesame seeds. The rice flour can be kneaded into a ball like this. Put some oil into the pan. Set the oil temperature to 60% and fry the sesame balls. Look, these sesame balls are very colorful and fried to golden color. They are ready to be taken out of the pan. The pumpkin sesame balls are fried. Let's try to see if the sesame smell is delicious. Well, it's so delicious.